Welcome to House Lux Estate, your reliable channel for all things finance. We're here to guide you through the maze of financial planning, investment strategies, and of course, the ever-evolving world of finance apps. Our mission? To make finance less intimidating and more accessible for everyone. Today, we're turning the spotlight onto something that's on everyone's mind: saving money. And what better way to do that than by harnessing the power of technology? Yes, we're talking about personal finance apps. Those handy tools that help us manage our money better, track our spending, and ultimately save more. From budgeting to investing, these apps are revolutionizing the way we handle our finances. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out on your financial journey, there's an app out there that can help you save money. Dive in with us as we explore the best personal finance apps to help you save money. First on our list is Mint, a renowned personal finance app. Mint has been on the scene for a while now, and it has consistently ranked among the top finance apps for its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of Mint is its budgeting tool. It allows you to create custom budgets based on your income and expenses. You can categorize your spending and even set up alerts when you're close to exceeding your budget. This feature can be a game changer for those who struggle to keep track of their spending and want to save more money. But Mint isn't just about budgeting. It also offers a bill tracking feature. You can link your billers, and Mint will help you to keep track of due dates so you never miss a payment. This can be a significant stress reliever, especially if you're juggling multiple bills every month. Another exciting feature of Mint is its credit score monitoring. This tool provides you with your credit score, updates, and detailed credit report, helping you monitor your financial health. And the best part? It's entirely free. Mint is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. It syncs with your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments, providing a broad view of your finances at your fingertips. This can help you make more informed decisions about your money and plan for your financial future. Moreover, Mint's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their financial knowledge. It uses simple language and clear graphics to present your financial information. This means you don't need to be a financial expert to understand and manage your money effectively. And let's not forget one of the most significant benefits of Mint. It's free. Yes, you heard it right. All these fantastic features are available at no cost, making it accessible to everyone. In conclusion, Mint is a great tool that provides a broad view of your finances. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, Mint can help you navigate the world of personal finance with ease and confidence. Next up is YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. Diving right into it, YNAB is much more than just a catchy acronym. It's a powerful tool that's all about proactive money management. If you've ever felt like your money is controlling you rather than the other way around, YNAB is a game changer. It's designed to help you regain control, to ensure that every dollar you earn has a purpose. At the heart of YNAB is its innovative budgeting system. Instead of simply tracking your expenses, YNAB encourages you to assign each dollar a job. Whether it's for bills, savings, or that vacation you've been dreaming of, YNAB helps you allocate your money wisely. One of YNAB's standout features is its goal tracking. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning a dream vacation, or simply working towards an emergency fund, YNAB makes it easy to set and track your financial goals. It allows you to visualize your progress, keeping you motivated and on track. Now let's talk about debt paydown. With YNAB, you can create a tailored plan to tackle your debt. It doesn't just help you keep track of your payments. It helps you strategize and prioritize so you can pay down your debt more efficiently. But that's not all. YNAB also provides access to a wealth of financial literacy resources. From webinars to podcasts, blogs to forums, you can deepen your understanding of personal finance and pick up practical tips along the way. And for those who juggle multiple bank accounts, here's the good news. YNAB syncs with all your bank accounts, providing a comprehensive view of your finances at a glance. No more switching between apps or websites. With YNAB, it's all in one place. So, if you want to be more proactive about your finances, if you want to get a grip on your money and start making it work for you, YNAB might just be the tool you've been looking for. YNAB is ideal for those who want an active role in their financial management. Our third pick is the Personal Capital app. This gem of an app is not just another budgeting tool. It's a comprehensive financial platform that caters to a multitude of your money management needs. Let's start with the app's investment tracking feature. Personal Capital provides a holistic view of your investments, helping you understand your portfolio better. It gives you insights into your asset allocation, investment performance, and even projects' future scenarios. With such a comprehensive analysis at your fingertips, you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your investment strategy. Next, let's talk about budgeting. The Personal Capital app lets you track your income, expenses, and net worth all in one place. It categorizes your expenses, making it easier for you to see where your money is going. This way, you can identify spending habits that may be hindering your financial progress and make necessary changes. Now, onto retirement planning. Personal Capital boasts a unique feature known as the Retirement Planner. This tool uses your real-time data to provide a personalized retirement plan. It projects your retirement cash flow and evaluates your readiness for retirement. You can also play with different scenarios to understand how major life events might impact your financial future. This app is also well known for its free financial dashboard, which offers a 360-degree view of your financial life. From your bank accounts and credit cards to your mortgage and investments, everything is visible in one place. Another noteworthy feature is the Fee Analyzer. This tool scrutinizes the fees you're paying within your investment accounts, like your 401k and mutual funds. It helps you identify where you might be losing money to fees, enabling you to make cost-effective investment decisions. So if you're looking for an app that provides a comprehensive financial picture, Personal Capital is the way to go. It's not just about tracking expenses or planning for retirement. It's about bringing all aspects of your financial life together in one place, providing you with the tools and insights you need to achieve your financial goals. Personal Capital is perfect for those interested in combining budgeting with long-term financial planning. Last on our list, but not the least, is PocketGuard. This app is a fantastic tool for those of you who are looking for a simple, straightforward way to manage your money. PocketGuard is designed to do just that. Guard your pockets. It's all about keeping your finances in check and ensuring that you're not overspending. One of the standout features of PocketGuard is its ability to track your spending. This app categorizes your purchases, so you can see exactly where your money is going. Whether it's groceries, entertainment, or those pesky utility bills, PocketGuard breaks it all down. This way, you can see the areas where you might need to tighten the purse strings a little. But PocketGuard isn't just about tracking your spending, it also provides insights into your savings. The app analyzes your income, bills, and goals to show you what you have in my pocket, which is essentially what you can safely spend without dipping into your savings or going over your budget. And speaking of budgets, PocketGuard makes it easy to set up and stick to yours. The app's simplicity is truly its strength. It presents your financial information in a clear, easy-to-understand format, so you're never left scratching your head, trying to decipher complex graphs or charts. Now here's a feature that sets PocketGuard apart from many other personal finance apps: bill negotiation. If you're paying more than you should be for your bills, PocketGuard can help negotiate them down for you. It's like having a personal finance advisor right in your pocket, always looking for ways to save you money. Additionally, PocketGuard has a feature that lets you find savings opportunities. It does this by analyzing your spending patterns and suggesting areas where you could potentially save more. It's like having a little money-saving guru right there on your smartphone. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to manage your day-to-day spending, PocketGuard is definitely an app to consider. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and best of all, it's focused on helping you keep more money in your pocket. PocketGuard is a simple yet powerful tool for managing your day-to-day spending. To sum up, there are several great finance apps to help you save money. We've delved into 4 of the best options out there. Mint, with its comprehensive budgeting tools and credit score updates, is perfect for those looking for a holistic approach to personal finance. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a fantastic choice for those wanting to get a firm grip on their spending habits. It focuses on giving every dollar a job, promoting accountability and financial discipline. Next, we discussed Personal Capital, a robust app for those interested in wealth management. It provides a comprehensive view of your investments and net worth. Lastly, we looked at PocketGuard, an app that simplifies budgeting by showing you how much you have left to spend after covering your bills and savings goals. Remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful finance tips. Until next time, keep saving.